She stumbled into the ER, clutching her abdomen, whispering, "Something is very wrong." Her skin was pale, her breathing shallow, and the bowl she vomited into held coffee-ground blood. This 47-year-old hasn't eaten in days, can't pass stool, and reports black tarry stools and intense abdominal bloating. History: GERD, hiatal hernia, obesity, metabolic syndrome, IBS, diverticulosis. BP 9660, HR 118, high-pitched bowel sounds above, almost silent below. Labs: low HGB, low CAPE MG, high WBC/CRP, positive occult blood. EGD, erosive gastritis with early ulcer. CT, diverticulitis with early partial obstruction. She's facing bleeding, inflammation, obstruction, and malnutrition all at once. Critical thinking questions. 1. What is your first priority? 2. Which finding is most dangerous? 3. What suggests a complete obstruction? 4. Why is rapid deterioration likely? Follow for daily case studies.